Hello, friends. Do you wonder how you can convert your WhatsApp into a 24/7 working assistant? Yes, that's exactly what I will show you. On the left side, you can see my WhatsApp is open on the web, and on the right, it's the workflow. So I'll give it a message. Let's first greet them. Hello. And you should get a response back. It's saying, how can I assist you today? I'll write, I want to book an appointment. Let's see. It's asking me, please provide the details, such as your name, date, time, and purpose of the appointment. Okay, so I'll write name, Ankit. Date of appointment will be, let's keep it 31st August. And time, 10 a.m. Purpose, head relaxation massage. Let's see. See, it's executing the workflow. Your appointment for a head relaxation massage is booked August 31 at 10 a.m. under the name Ankit. If you need anything else, feel free to ask. So it booked all this information. And to view this, I also have connected a Google Sheet to this workflow. You can see here WhatsApp. See this. Whatever communication that I have, it's all getting captured in a Google Sheet. This is an amazing use case where you can convert your WhatsApp into 24/7 assistant that will book all your leads. We can go a step further and make it even more dynamic, but for the purpose of this demo, I'll keep it simple. Now, I'll show you how I created this WhatsApp bot. This is the complete workflow that I have set up for now. This is a simple workflow, but we can make it more comprehensive with more features, but I'll keep it for another video in the future. The first node is webhook node. If you open it, see it here. Here we'll see the production URL. This is the URL that we need to copy and put in developers.facebook.com webhooks in this callback URL. This is where I'll copy this and paste it here. This is the part of the activation of the webhook that we'll skip in this video and we'll keep it for a future video. Once it's configured, the webhook is configured, you will be able to use it. The HTTP method should be post. This path, you can modify it and make sure you use something, or you can keep it default as well. There's no problem. Authentication is none for now. It's okay. And you can keep this respond immediately. Then an if node to differentiate between the messages that you receive from the user, and also there are messages that WhatsApp sends. I'll show you. See this outgoing messages. Here you can see message was delivered, sent, read, delivered, read. This is the status that WhatsApp tells you about a message that was sent to any user from your number. I'll show you where it actually appears. If you go to the executions, on the left, you can see so many executions are there. See here, the first webhook node was active, then if, outgoing message, append row in sheet 1. Why this happens? Let me show you. I'll open this webhook node and see this is the data that Facebook gives us. If you see here, you can see statuses. Why? Because this webhook is giving us the status of the messages that we sent. You can see here, the status was sent. It's a service type message. So these messages are also being given by WhatsApp. It's similar to the single tick mark and double tick mark on your WhatsApp messages. Now let's go back. Then here I have kept a simple condition. It means if there is a status message and it is not empty, means there is a status message that we received, then this condition is true. And the true condition is taking us to the outgoing messages. Means if we receive a status message, it will be converted into an outgoing message in our workflow logic, which will then capture the number, status, any error message in case, and the time of that message, which is then getting logged into the Google Sheet that I showed you just now. And if there is no status message, it means that it's a message from the user. So this condition will be false and it will take us to incoming message. That is a message from an end user. Here we segregate the specific information that we need, like the name, number, message, timestamp, status, and the type of message. These are all JSON expressions that WhatsApp is giving us. We will capture them. And then out of these incoming messages, I will again create two branches. One is to capture these messages in a Google Sheet by this node. The other is the switch node. It's not necessary that a person sends a text message. They can send a voice message, an image, anything. But in this video, I have only showed you how to capture the text messages. I have skipped the audio but created a branch. And then in this switch node, if we receive a text message, it will be forwarded to the AI agent. This is the brain or the powerhouse of our workflow, the WhatsApp bot. Here, JSON.message is the message that we received from the user, and this is a system message for the AI agent to work upon. And we have given it a memory so that it remembers the past 5 messages received from the user. And then we send a message back to the user using the send message WhatsApp node. So this is the complete workflow that allows you to build a simple WhatsApp AI agent that works 24/7 for your business, making sure that you do not miss any business opportunities, even while you are sleeping. In a future video, I will show you how to exactly set up your WhatsApp business API, configure webhooks, and use them to build a sophisticated, powerful AI WhatsApp agent.